5. So it's still gonna use the New York and San Francisco's trick. It's more of a joke than a trick, but it can be quite useful. So this one is 2x, 111. And one of them has to be negative, so I think these have to be negatives. Negative. So I'm going to, so 1, 2 is 2, 2 11s is 22, so -1. So now I'm going to set up the line. Now I'm going to do 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 11 plus 11. So this one, I'm just going to do 2 1/2. So 1/2 and negative, so switch places, 1/2 and negative 5.5. So fx so something that's between these could be, we're going to use 0, so that means we're going to skip down, equals, so skip down, so that's 0 minus 1, -1, and 2 zeros is 0, plus 11 equals 11, equals -11 is less than 0. So that can go on the number line. So that means we can choose any number within here. Now I'm going to try what will happen if I choose something else. What happens if I choose something out of the box? What if I chose 6.5? I'm going to try something -10. So f -10 is equal to, so -20 minus 1 times, so -20 plus 11 equals -19, -21. Equals to multiple -9 equals +30, which is not less than 0. So that means we can't go beyond San Francisco or go beyond New York. Then we're just going to end up without no tickets. So we're going to try 10, F10, and we're going to do equals to 20 minus 1 and 20 plus 11 equals to 19 times 33. equals, I'm going to slide over to do that, much bigger than 0. So definitely not equal to, is not less than 0. No doubt about it. So first we have to move the x squared over here. So that means 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. So I'm going to do 1, 9. So we're going to do 3x larger than 0. So we're going to do 3x and 1, 9. 1, 9 minus. I'm going to try minus here. And then I'm going to set up the line. I'm not making large line. I'm going to make a line down here. And then I'm going to go here and here. So now we're going to do 3x minus 9 and x plus 1. That means 3 negative 1. We did this before. And now I'm going to do fx. First something between. I'm going to try negative 1 positive. Has to be greater than 0. So that means that's equal to 3 minus 9 and 1 plus 1 because negative 6 times 2 equals negative 12 is greater than 0? Nope. That means it has to be like this. Ow. So I'm going to try a different fx. So I'm going to go for 10. That equals to 30 minus 9 multiplied by 10 plus 1 equals, so that means 30 minus 9 equals 21 times 11. And I'm not going to waste my time. I'm just going to write it's greater than 0, which works. Now I'm going to try negative 10. So f negative 10 is equal to negative 30 minus 9 and minus 10 plus 1 equals, so that negative 39 times negative 9 is greater than 0. That means we have to go beyond New York to all the way to London, and we have to go all the way beyond San Francisco, all the way over to Hawaii. So x is negative 1, or x is greater than 3.